All right, I picked this kit up off good old eBay. This is my 2009 Kawasaki Versys. Let me show you the chain that I'm working on. Some before shots. I'm gonna be adjusting it too. And you can see there's not the craziest amount of buildup. I think I'm gonna take off all the covers just to make my life a little bit easier. But we'll see what happens. Supposedly, look at that. They claim that this is the bee's knees, but I don't know. I wanted to give it a try, and we'll see. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, not the best, not the worst. It's been sitting all winter, so I got it everywhere. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna be diving in for. All right, up first is this cleanup chain cleaner in the kit. This is what it looks like before. I just got this little brush, and we're about to go to town. I couldn't get this cover off. I didn't feel like dropping everything. It looks like it's pretty bad in there, so it's probably a reason why, but we'll get it all cleaned up and I'll get it. Okay, this is what the cap says. I had my doubts. I sprayed it on there, scrubbed it up a bit. I'm really impressed. So that's just the first one. Now I'm gonna pull the hose over and hose it out. Wow. Yeah, I'm a fan. You can see down there where it was pretty bad. Look at that. There's still some rust, but in the kit, the second one that you use, it's supposed to really destroy the rust. So what I'm gonna do now, this isn't a step, I'm gonna take my shop vac now. Once I get all this blasted off to the point where I'm comfortable with it. And I'm gonna hose everything off with the shop vac where it's shooting the air out. And then I'll apply. All right, like I said, this is my shop vac. That way we can at least get the first layer of water off. Right, now, they say to use this one, so I'm just gonna spray this liberally all over the chain. Okay, I just finished up. Man, I'm a fan. I probably should have cleaned it up better, but you guys saw what it was like before. I hadn't done this in a while, and it's all protected. I'm gonna wait to post this to like put some miles on it. It's probably, yeah, I'll clean it up so it looks like I'm at least somewhat cleanly on my bike. Yeah, okay, so it's been about 2 tanks and the chain is still looking good. So the way this kit works, you'd use this first and then you apply this penetrating lube. What I didn't show was me spraying this on the bike. It was pretty cold when I was wrapping up that video and it was getting below freezing. I had my pressure washer out and I was getting a little nervous. So that's the result. This kit will differ from some others. You can get the chain wax or the chain guard. I personally like the chain guard a little bit more. It's gonna fling a little bit more because it is a liquid, and so if you get a lot on there, that's going to be normal. But definitely recommend the kit. I'm gonna put it below. Hope everybody rides safe and keep those chains alive.